Hi Taurus, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for December 2020. I will rely on Tarot for your overall reading and I'll also use some oracle decks. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of November, stepping into December, we have the Hangman. Certainly, this was a period, or the final days were a period when you were thinking you had to make some sacrifice. Maybe your health or the health of a loved one could also have been a factor here. Physically and mentally, you were a bit drained. Besides, I think responsibilities had also increased. Maybe there were also differences with a loved one with respect to how money was put into use or how money was being spent. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Page of Swords for Taurus. Page of Swords is a person who is cutting through the obstacles. Maybe you want to move forward. Perhaps you have differences with a male figure, maybe a family elder. I think many of you want to broaden your horizon. You want to set sail for greener pastures. Those who are students, you may be thinking about enhancing your skill sets by going for a degree course or signing up for a particular course. Largely, you have to cut through the obstacles. There are going to be disagreements, or many of you may also be on the move, or you may be traveling as well. You will be pushy with respect to your desires and ambitions. Influences for the month, we have the Five of Swords. So disagreements, like I said, are possibilities. So there could also be misunderstanding and miscommunication. So weigh your words very carefully before you verbalize them, or weigh your thoughts as well. Nonetheless, surprises are in store for you this December. There could also be disagreements, like I said, over wealth issues or over finances. So mend the bridges. Even it's a time to forgive and forget, though you are no more to do so. I think you should blow the pipe of peace and you should let bygones be bygones. Taurus, this December, you will also find that you will be able to complete a lot of work because you're always up and about, and sometimes you may find that your ideas may not have any takers. They could be regarded as controversial. Also, you should review your work before you submit it because there could be errors or before you make it public. Nonetheless, praise and appreciation is quite likely. In fact, in case you are researching or in case you are working on an idea, you will find that people will say you're on the right track. The first 10 days of December, we have the Emperor card. Try to be cooperative. You cannot clap with one hand. Similarly, you cannot walk all alone. In case you are in an authoritative position, I think you should listen to the viewpoint of others because you may be coming across as someone who is very bossy and very dogmatic. Try not to overrule the views of others. In case you are applying for a job or something, I think in case you are looking for work opportunities, this may not be the best time. So maybe you should bide your time. Aside from this, I think it's a good time for learning, like I said, and also people will also accept that whatever you have said is said in honesty or that you are being sincere. Don't set your hopes too high in the first 10 days. The next 10 days, that is 11 to 20th December, we have the Ten of Swords. Again, if you see, we have Page of Swords, we have the Ten of Swords, and we also have the Five of Swords. So maybe your mental faculties are quite heightened in this month. So you will use your intelligence to tackle problems that may arise. In this period between 11 to 20th December, you may find that knives are being sharpened behind your back because this lady, she is feeling a bit low. She has her head against the floor, so she's facing the floor, no doubt. So that means that people behind her back, there's gossip also which you have to deal with. Backstabbing is a distinct possibility for Taurus between 11 to 20th December. Aside from this, I think you have to step up and take charge because your responsibilities will increase. Maybe colleagues or staff is not around, so you have to step up. I think you'll also be a bit overburdened on account of the family problems. Maybe you think that there's too much, or you may feel helpless at times because of the issues that your family is facing. It seems as if the problems are insurmountable. Sometimes you may also feel that your instincts are being ignored. Taurus, you'll also have to understand that your schedule could go for a toss. Maybe people around you, or in case you're working, your boss or your superior may also change your plan. So you have to give in and do whatever is required. But you can also take heart from the fact that members of the opposite sex will definitely help you and assist you, especially females, I think. The next 10 days or the final days of December, we have the World card. So overall contentment can be expected. This is also a cycle which is coming to an end, and a new cycle is supposed to begin very soon. So you will feel that you have made good headway in this period. This is also the time when it's the holiday season. I think also that even while working, I said you should not be too greedy or avaricious, because then you could end up incurring losses. Communication will also bring you gains in this period. Basically, you'll be happy with the way you are making, whatever progress you are making or way the work is proceeding. You can also use your contacts and help your loved ones as well. Someone may also try to undermine your position this in December, so you should be mindful of that. Thankfully, there'll be support from some quarters, so you can put the person in their place. From the angel therapy card, let's pull a card. We have the law of attraction. It says your relationships and activities that you once enjoyed are now changing as you become more sensitive and aware of your energies. So whatever your thoughts and your ideas, they are going to manifest, so you be careful of whatever you're thinking. You should also do away with negative issues or negative thoughts and those behavioral patterns which are not doing you any good, because like attracts like. And in case you're being in the midst of people who are unkind or harsh, then it could also make you a bit blunt. Another card we have here is healer. You have the spiritual gift of healing and a desire to share it with others. I think Taurus, you'll be called upon to be the caregiver. Another thing, you should also be careful of your health. Some of you could have the spiritual gift, like the card itself says, that maybe you are a energy worker, energy healer, master, or some kind of healing is there which you are doing, which is benefiting mankind. With respect to your love life, we have the card vision. No, victim, sorry, did I say vision? Maybe a message is there with respect to a vision. Maybe you are getting insight into your love life. But the victim card says here that maybe you are playing the victim card, or maybe you are being the damsel in distress. So try not to be like that, because maybe you will come across as someone who's stringing the opposite sex. Surely you will you will benefit with her on account of the opposite sex, but then it's best not to string anyone along. Some of you may also be in an abusive relationship, so be mindful of that and don't let anyone subjugate you. Some Taurans, I think ego issues could also hamper your relationship, so be careful of that. On the other hand, those who are romancing, I think there could also be an insecure lover that you're dealing with. Maybe the person thinks that he cannot match up to you with respect to your looks or with the intelligence, but then you will definitely be the one who will allay such fears, because you believe there is a connection which is more deep, and that beauty is all superficial, and you are not affected by the age difference or anything like that. Your lover may also surprise you with gifts. Many Taurans, you will also have secret admirers. Maybe they want to propose to you, they want to flirt with you, or sometimes you think that the person whom you have in mind is also yearning for you, but then he's not coming forward, or he's not saying anything. I think many of you may also want to express your feelings or write a short letter, but then your confidant or someone whose advice you pay attention to could pour water on your plans. So don't cling. In case you desire that love connection with someone, don't be coming across as someone who is very persuasive or clingy, because it could be a complete turn off. You may also find that younger members of the opposite sex are interested in you this month. I think those who are already married, I think you should pay attention to your spouse. Maybe you think that he thinks or you think that either of you are not giving each other time. So make time for each other. Invest in the relationship. Some of you could also be rattled on account of your in-laws. Maybe you think that whatever you do is never enough. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Also, please like this video and share it with your friends and acquaintances. We'll also be happy if you would subscribe to our channel. Before I sign up, I would like to wish all of you a Happy New Year and Merry Christmas as well. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.